Malaysia generates over 39,000 tons of solid waste daily, or 1.17 kg per person, with food waste making up more than 20%. Malaysia also ranks 10th globally for plastic waste mismanagement, with 25.49 kg mismanaged per person annually. And Malaysia ranks 5th for plastic waste entering the ocean, with each person contributing 2.29 kg. How to solve this problem?
Hi! We're the Cyber Titans from SK CYBERJAYA!
We're 12 years old.
And this is our idea for WSDG 2025.
It's called Recycle It,
An AI-powered app and drone assistant
to help with waste management for a cleaner, greener world. Recycle It is perfect for homes, schools, and parks. Image recycling faster, smarter, and fun. We believe that real-world technology like this can help fix real-world problems.
Introducing Recycle It. It's an Android app connected to a smart drone that uses AI to do all the hard work. Here's what it does. It recognizes waste using image AI. It understands speech and translates commands. It picks up, sorts, and delivers recyclable items. It uses geo-mapping to find pickup and drop-off points. And it checks the weight to make sure it's safe to fly.
Let's see how it works. First, the drone will receive instructions from our app, Recycle It. Instructions can be in any languages. Don't worry, it will translate any languages. Geo-mapping AI function will find the pickup spot. Then, AI function will be used to scan, weigh and pick up recycling items. Again, the geo-mapping AI function will find and drop off recycling items at the chosen spot. It will be dropped off at the correct spot. Why Recycle It matters? Because it will provide faster and smarter recycling. Makes waste management easier and cheaper. Uses real-world tech like drones and AI. Suitable everywhere, for schools, homes, parks. Now, let me explain how the AI works with our Android app, Recycle It. First, Image AI function will learn from as many photos to identify items. Voice AI understands different accents and languages and translate it for the drone to receive correct instructions. Geo AI that is connected to Recycle It app helps to map out safe routes for the drone. Finally, Weight AI helps to measure items before drone lifts them. Recycle It supports these SDGs. It supports SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, SDG 13, Climate Action, SDG 14, Life Below Water, and also SDG 15, Life on Land. These SDGs can be achieved by using Recycle It AI-powered app and drone to help with waste management. It is cleaner, smarter and faster way to manage recyclable items.
And we believe AI and drones can make the earth cleaner and greener.
We are the Cyber